Hey guys, it's Andy Got Games here, and today I'm going to be making the mold like I said, so let's get into this. Okay, so let me get my gloves on.
Anthony!
Yeah?
Why is blue right here?
Sorry, I have to send you upstairs. Okay, now I can put on my gloves. Okay, I got a glove. What should I pour? Oh, I know. Coke. I got Coke. 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 This is mine, is it? Yeah, I think I can use this. Hold up. Okay, got the fish. Hey, there. Pour my Coke in. First, I need to wash it. Okay, wash it. There you go. Okay, my ear. Go. Okay, so then pour. Dang, I spilled. Okay, I got my Coke. Got my Coke in here. And then I'm gonna slowly first put it down. You can see if there's space. And this one, this. Okay, got it up there. Little spillage. Fine. 4. Okay. Might as well just drink it. Okay. Get this. And I'll get to you guys in like an hour or so. So, yeah. Well, actually, I'm gonna end the video, and then probably like in 2 hours or so, come back and check it, and then yeah, do that. And then so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just make a part 2 of this. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when it is ready. So bye.